Best Scout on YouTube is back. Hello guys, Samuel here, and welcome to another episode of Team Fortress 2. Today we're going to be doing some Scout gameplay with the force of nature, the bat, and the bonk atomic punch. Alright, let's go. Man. Wow, I am really hoping all my videos pay off. This is my 19th video. Come on. I should get my bonk atomic punch ready. I should really get it ready. Alright, wait a sec guys, I'm gonna try to make the camera a little not blurry. Alright, so I'm back. Okay. Alright, let me grab. Oh, well, we just lost right away. That was messed up. Bong, 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 bong. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back, people. Welcome to another episode. I already said that. Alright, so let's go over here. Alright, is it good? Right. Have to find the blue team's base. Bong. 4. They have been released from the pet shop. They are too active. Alright. Time to go attack. And the lightness. Come on. Did I? Nope. Spy. Inside. Hey. Alright, so let's go over here. What? No. Run for your life. That hurt. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to be playing good right now. Wow, I should really change into the NG. But I'll make another video for that. Wow. Alright, so guys, if it's blurry for you, it's probably too late. Let me just back it up a little. Is that good enough? Back it up a little more. Too backed up. That's fine. Alright, so 10 seconds. Drink my pot. Alright guys, time to bake the biscuits. Alright. 2, 1. Blast off. Right, drink my bonk atomic punch. Now, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster. For Sonic X, go, 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 go. I smacked your face. Gotta go faster, faster, faster. Sonic X. Dun, dun, dun. No trespassing. Alright, let's go. No, that can't be. Alright, ready guys? Alright, let's go. Right. Spy, I know. Drink, drink, drink. Go, 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 go. I'm a logo. Oh man, no. Go, 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 go. Let me get my bat ready. Ooh, what's this red mark? I don't know. Let's see what happens if I hit it. Alright, so let's just make some good gameplay. Alright, so where? Well, that was kind of messed up. Oh man. Sorry guys, you guys missed it. I was going bat to head on those guys. Alright, you know that Scout is very good at making brain smashed potatoes. It's a joke. He bonks people with a bat and makes their brain smashed potatoes. Yum. Fire. No, 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 no. A table. Cause a table. Alright, there's a sentry. It's a table. I crafted a table. I crafted it. That's what you have to do. Alright. Heads up. What is that? Alright guys, sorry, I was just here talking to a guy about trades. Alright, come on. Alright. I gotta win for my life. Never mind. Alright guys, we're just gonna keep playing here. Just trying to make some trades. Get cooler weapons, you know. Alright, let's go over here. Come on, open up! Open up! Let's go. Wait, am I going in circles? Alright, I have to drink. Pop! Go! Go! I'm too fast for you people. Boosh! Boosh! Well, that had to hurt ya. Boosh! Medic! 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 I see a good case. It was too late. Okay, guys, let's go. Alright, okay. Huh? Alright, guys, just... Wow. Sorry that this was such cheap gameplay. I'm gonna stick myself into it now. Alright. Come on, Scout! Come on! Let's see what you have. Oh, I guess the... Heavy had some of it. Which is going down! Alright guys, let's go. I'm gonna show you some good gameplay now. Cause the video's kinda cheap in the beginning. Oktoberfest! Oh, nope, nope, nope. We'll need the bonk atomic punch. I'm faster than your bullets, Hubby! Does that make you angry? I bet you it does. Alright, just aiming. Just aiming. Come on, come here, come here, come here, come on. Yes! Low. Is that a scattergun? Yeah, I don't want a scattergun. How many one? Gonna run up to you, bat you, bat you, bat you. Bat. Ing. for baseball. Let's see what this guy does. Sorry I was gone. Okay, let's go. Okay. Come on. I'm gonna show you guys some good gameplay. Just saw a sniper here. Come here. Apple bat, it's more powerful than your knife. Oh. Oh. Well, don't mind that. Oh man. Okay. Sorry guys that this is such cheap gameplay at the first, but I'm gonna concentrate now. I promise. I'm a freaking blur here. And guys, please forgive one of the scouts' language. He said, guys, help out. Right? Yeah, it has to. Right. My channel is no bad words. It has a bad word antivirus. So done. I have some pop. Anyone want some pop? Yeah, I want some pop. Yeah, let's go drink it. Caffeine is crazy. Right? Caffeine is crazy. Come on, man. Come on. Another one. Come on. You want some? Come on. Alright, I got this. The heavy had to come and help. Okay. Crazy, right? You guys watch Team Beach too? Alright. The fire control point. There's gonna be, never mind. Okay, let's get over here. There's nothing. Let's just watch out. That Sonic the Hedgehog is not me. It's a spy. Wow. I don't know how fast he was, but alright, let's get ready. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna help my team out. Hey, look at this heavy. They're like, just laying. What? A pyro. Just saw him. Hey, dude, look behind you. Never mind, I should look behind me. We only have one more round, okay, guys? One more round I'm gonna give you guys, and ready, let's go. Right, this has to be amazing. Oh, I just saw a demo man. That was amazing. Okay, where are you? Where are you? You little rascal. Oh, dude. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to smack that like button. Wait a sec, not enough. Don't forget to smack that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Best Scout, Sonic the Hedgehog, and Steam, and peace. See ya.